Yes, I know. I have been slacking off on making videos, but this is the Kingdom Hearts 3 unboxing video. Let's get into it. Man, I've been waiting on this game for I don't know how long, man. I swear to God, it feels like this was never going to come out. And of course, y'all already know the game ain't even in here. It's in my system downloading right now. But outside of just Kingdom Hearts 3, I already knew how my hype was going to be for this game. So y'all already know I had to pick up a few things with it. Couple packages. Y'all can probably guess the two characters that it's going to be. Since I told y'all it's two boxes, if y'all don't know, y'all are about to find out. Of course, you gotta know one of them. And if you know one, how could you not know the second one? Especially if you know me. Let's get into it. Now, the first one comes from my boys at Toys in the Box. Shout out to them. If you don't shop with Toys in the Box, what are you doing, bro? I've been promoting these guys for years now. Come on, they have the best prices, best shipping. Cannot beat these guys. They're stationed in California and they will get you your stuff quickly. Literally took only 2 days to get these. So shout out Toys in the Box once again. Now let's go ahead and get this bad boy opened. And like I said, y'all gotta know who this is, right? I already know some of y'all gonna be thinking something when I open it too. Y'all be like, oh, wait a minute, hold on. This looks familiar. I have been led astray. Let's see. Oh, hold up. We got a little box crap all over the place. Can y'all guess it? Can y'all guess who it is? I know somebody's gonna have to have guessed by now. Yeah, somebody has to have guessed by now. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ah, yeah, y'all thought I had this one. Nah, this is actually the second version, I believe, from Kingdom Hearts where he has the regular Keyblade. The first Bring Arts version was the one where they released him with the two guns and then the different Keyblade. I didn't really like that one. I like the original. And this is it. My boy Sora in there looking serious. Can't wait to get this out, pose it. I already know playing the game, I'm going to have a million different ideas. So yeah, number one, as you guys can see, is that boy Sora, Bring Arts Kai. And I've already reviewed... Well, I kind of reviewed this figure. I think it's just a repaint. I don't know. But, yeah. Anyway, check that out. Go look for my review of it. Now, I'm sure you guys have probably heard of these guys. I'm about to mention where I got my next package from. They are called Toy Arena. I'm not sure if I've shopped with them before or not. I always believed that they were trustworthy, and they are on par with Toys in the Box. No joke. I ordered these two figures the same day. Got them on the same day. They shipped on the same day. So, man, Toy Arena, if you guys have not checked them out, I highly recommend it. They gained another customer from me, especially. I love it when I see animated heroes on the box. And, I mean, like I said, y'all guys already saw who was in the first package. Y'all ought to know who's in the second one. If you don't, you are about to find out. This is a figure that, honestly, I can't believe it took me this long to get it. I should have had this figure already. I was saying I was going to get it when it came out, but I don't know. Just something about it just didn't make me get it. But like I said, Kingdom Hearts 3 is out, so I was like, yeah, gotta have it. Now, I can't wait. Oh, hold up. What is this? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, that's just a slip. They gave me a card. So, yeah. Check out Toy Arena if you guys have not. They are authentic. Well, they are official. They're great. Great guys. Fast shipping. And here he is. Packaged very nicely, by the way. Very, very, very nicely. Here he is. The boy. Man, he looks tall. My favorite character from Kingdom Hearts, Riku. And... looks pretty nice. The face looks a little off, I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, he's older, so it does make sense. I see why people say it was tall. That was one of the things that kind of kept me away, because everyone was like, yeah, the figure looks a little too tall, but he looks sick nonetheless. So I don't see any paint issues, man, I hope this figure is as good as I want it to be. I don't really care for his Keyblade either. I wish, or I don't know, I don't even know if it's a Keyblade for him. Kingdom Hearts fans, don't attack me. But I miss his old weapon though, the little black one that he used in Kingdom Hearts 1 and 2. That one was sick. I don't really like this one that much, but I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on one of those for him. But nonetheless, that is my unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Everybody that got Kingdom Hearts 3, enjoy the game. I'm already hearing that it's great. You guys already know the nostalgia if you've played 1 and 2, so I hope everyone's out there enjoying. Shout out to everybody who checked out this video. It's probably not going to be a lot, but yes, enjoy everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more content from me, and also follow me on everything you see listed in the description below if you want to keep up with all my activity. That being said, Animated Heroes out. Peace.